Ka office jong district sports officer DSO Southwest Kasil District minta kasni ka arpnyo tare ujeleo kalayo ban pleno ya ka jingila ka football balatip kum ka Southwest Kasil District level inter school subroto Mukherjee Cup football tournament araja arpar balapnlong hapindan nyaw lingdo playground nonglang Southwest Kasil District ya ka ne ka subroto Cup football tournament lawan play perdano dau ba damang singkon district sports officer jong ka Southwest Kasil District haringkat ka jingdon lang kinong hikai jong ki school baper napo jong kani ke district haringkat ki khna school bat ki katu kat ni kinong tray napo jong ke DSO makurwan ha gani ka sni sedang layo ban penyela kai na ka benta ki ba hapo ka khatnyo snem ka karta da ka lingdo wanyang secondary school machlong persya ya ka florusi diu secondary school nonglang bat na ka benta ka under 14 hapdeng ka tenset secondary school sakyang persya ya ka JKNP higher secondary school makurwan.